Project Objective 5, which states AUTOSAR shall support the development of dependable systems. What does dependable system mean in this context? It reflects the user's degree of trust in that system. It reflects the extent of the user's confidence that it will operate as user expects and it will not fail in normal uses. Dependability covers the related system attributes of reliability, availability, and security. All the safety systems in automotive come under dependable systems. With this understanding, the objective simply implies that the AUTOSAR shall provide additional support to fulfill the requirement of dependable systems. With this overview in mind, let's look into the main requirements. Firstly, let's look into the requirements which are already covered in the previous objective, which are also relevant for this objective. From the project objective 1, we have the following requirement. AUTOSAR shall support the test of implementations. From project objective 4, we have the following requirements. Firstly, AUTOSAR shall provide diagnostic means during runtime for production and service purposes. Next, AUTOSAR shall provide secure access to ECU. And lastly, AUTOSAR shall support secure onboard communication. You can watch Project Objective 1 and 4 videos to understand these requirements. I'll be touching on the new requirement associated with Project Objective 5 in this video. First four requirements are concerned with the safety, where first one states that AUTOSAR shall provide a software platform to support the development of safety-related systems. A safe AUTOSAR platform supports commonly used safety mechanism of current applications. This includes, but is not limited to, safe inter-ECU communication between the components and mechanism to ensure freedom of interference for software components and basic software modules. To understand this statement better, let's assume the basic software module is of higher SL, higher safety relevant software, say SLC. Now, if the software component is of QM, which is of lower SL or less safety relevant software, then while integrating this with the basic software module, there has to be a mechanism in place to monitor the interaction of the software component with the basic software so that the software component does not interfere with the safety critical functions of basic software. Hence, freedom from interference. Safety related software platforms are needed for safety relevant ECUs like digital engine control units and electronic power steering systems. However, it cannot ensure the safety for systems. This is to be ensured at the system level. What we are looking into is more on the software level, not at the system. Let's look into the second requirement, which states AUTOSAR shall support development processes for safety related systems. To develop safety related automotive systems, corresponding requirements given in ISO 26262 have to be followed by all processes. AUTOSAR shall support such development process for safety related system by providing according exchange formats, example for requirement tracing and concepts. Automotive software is in many cases safety related. Therefore, dedicated development process has to be followed which complies to safety standards. AUTOSAR shall support the users to apply these standards. Going to the next requirement, which states AUTOSAR specifications shall be analyzable and support according methods to demonstrate the achievement of safety related properties. To achieve safety related properties, an adequate software architectural design and implementation matching the safety requirement is required, and this has to be also demonstrated. Such demonstrations can be done by safety analysis. Therefore, firstly, AUTOSAR specification shall be analyzed accordingly. Secondly, corresponding analysis methods shall be applicable to the development artifacts specified by AUTOSAR. Simply put, in the context of safety related developments, a confirmation that the design and implementation are adequately safe is required. Hence, AUTOSAR shall provide confirmation through analysis and evidence of its artifacts. Moving to the next requirement, which states AUTOSAR process shall be compliant to ISO 26262. To develop safety related automotive system, all the processes applied need to follow the corresponding requirements given in ISO 26262. Accordingly, the applicable process related requirements of ISO 26262 have to be fulfilled by AUTOSAR process. In general, AUTOSAR shall support the development of systems according to the highest SL. Next requirement is on reliability, which states AUTOSAR shall support the development of reliable systems. Reliability is one possibility to achieve safety without decreasing availability. AUTOSAR shall provide mechanism for error avoidance, error detection, error handling in order to support the development of reliable systems which are properly functioning over time. Safety and reliability are closely connected as all safety relevant systems have to be reliable systems so that when their time comes to act, they are functioning. Moving to the last one, which states AUTOSAR shall support the observance of timing requirements. AUTOSAR shall support the description and correct implementation of timing requirements, which includes data flow and control flow related requirements. These requirements are critical requirements given by the customer addressing the real-time functioning of the system. So software component that have specific timing requirement, for example, real-time control of today's gasoline injection systems, are not to be overwritten by architectural changes. These are requirements which has to be fulfilled no matter the software is compliant to AUTOSAR or not. With this, we have covered all the main requirements of Project Objective 5. AUTOSAR shall support the development of dependable systems. Upcoming video will look into other objectives of AUTOSAR. Thank you.